Good morning, guys. Printed Spencer Hunt's latest 3D design, a chuck glider, or he's actually got a hook on it so we can catapult launch it. Bend the end of the tail up for dual vertical stabilizers, rudders. We might even get to try it outdoors because it's supposed to have been raining. I've woken up this morning. And it's sunshine out there. That's a complete surprise. Hi guys. Very much non-ideal conditions. I want to try and fly this. This is Spencer Hunt's 3D printed glider that he's designed. Apparently we're going to be hit with the tail end of a couple of hurricanes. Tail end, I'll say, not actually the hurricanes themselves. It was sunny this morning. There's even a tiny bit of blue sky up there. And the sun's almost breaking through there. But it is very windy in gusts. I'll come up to this car park because at least we've got a clear space that I can try and fly it. I would go and fly it over on the grass there, but it's going to be much too wet. So not only will my shoes get wet, but the plane will get wet as well. So we'll try it on the tarmac here, which probably means we'll break it. And it's too windy. I'll use my hat camera. I've got my hat camera, but I've forgotten the wind protector for it, so it's going to get noisy as soon as we step out into the wind. I've got my catapult, or slingshot, whatever you want to call it. So we'll give it a try. I think I've trimmed it for level flight. Oh no! Oh no! Oh dear! We didn't even get to try it. Sorry. Oh dear. Sorry, Spencer. You did say it would break. Oh, I shouldn't laugh so much. I did at least expect to get more than one flight out of it. Oh dear. Well, that was a disaster, wasn't it? Oh dear me. Spencer did warn that it would break, and I'm fully aware that PLA breaks, but I had hoped we might actually get a flight. It's very thin, and the PLA that I've used is some that I'd actually stopped using because it was causing problems printing it, but I needed a short length to print this, so I used it. I do have super glue handy, So I could try and glue it back together, and if it comes back together we might give it another flight. Other than that, we're just going to have to print it again. So I'm really sorry, Spencer, I really wanted to give it a test flight. I didn't think we were going to get a chance today because the weather report, and then it sort of cleared up a little bit. Never mind. Right, the sun is out. It's very windy. I'm going to walk across to the grass because I have glued this back together with super glue. I don't expect it to last very long, but we'll see if we can get one flight out of it. Right, wind is behind me. Just see if we can get a level flight. Bit nose down. Okay. Bit of up elevator to the wind. Okay. Oh yes, look at that go. Whoa! Caught the wind just right. Well, we'll give it a try with a catapult. Go with the wind behind me, let it climb into the wind. Alright. Oh. We did a loop. Go with the wind behind us again. There we go. Whoa! Wow! Well, I'm glad I repaired it. Because you probably couldn't see it on the camera. But that was a good distance. Behind us again. High launch. That's better. Off we go again. Whoa. And now the wind's dropped for a minute, so you might be able to hear me talking. Brief recap. 3D printed plane designed by Spencer Hunt. Link will be on in the video description to his Thingiverse link. I'll have to stop there because I can see that's beginning to tear apart there now. So there we go, Spencer. We flew it. It works. It might pay to give it a layer of super glue to stiffen it up and strengthen it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment so we know how we're doing.